Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today in this styling episode with a guest, I have beautiful Giedre, pear-shaped lady, and together with Giedre we will check what clothing pieces suits pear-shaped body the best. Throughout the process I will give you the reasons why that is. So we're gonna try different styling options with the trousers, dresses, skirts. You're gonna see everything in a minute. So keep on watching and let's start with the style number 1. Starting off with this column dress, I like that it has extended and strong shoulder detail as it helps to make the body and arms slender. However, we will style this dress in the next styling tip, but for now I would like to swap to something a little bit more flowy. So this dress is a perfect option to go for, especially when you don't want to show off too much but still want to look more put together. So the V neckline, 3/4 sleeve, A-line silhouette and a front slit really makes this dress one of the best silhouettes for the pear shape, and not only, and when you want to look pretty without compromising the comfort. And now let's share how it's possible for Giedre to style this dress, as she has it for a while now but haven't worn it yet. And I guess that this dress is quite skin tight and plain and it just feels undone. Therefore, a long necklace might help too, but I opted for this lightweight linen shirt just to cover up a little bit. It is possible to leave it open, but it is also possible to tie it on the waist. This frames her upper part and Giedre was really pleasantly surprised about this new way to style this dress. Even though the waistline is accentuated on this dress, however, the harsh horizontal lines really makes the figure even more shorter and draws attention to the hips. Our goal is to visually extend the body upwards, therefore this dress with smaller vertical prints should work just better. And we actually just swapped the belt to this leather belt just to have more put together look. Now with this outfit I want to make sure that we all get that the right proportion is key to any good outfit. So this is probably the worst case scenario, denim shorts and longer shirt to camouflage the things. However, this combination does anything good to the pear-shaped lady. So we are swapping to a midi skirt with front slits. And getting back to this linen shirt that might be unbuttoned once again, but to create that perfect proportion in this look, I tied it on the waist. And voila, 10 years younger and maybe 15 pounds slimmer. I just love this transformation. Now, these trousers are a little bit too long and I did my best to slightly visually shorten them. But I want to concentrate on another thing. Plain looks usually lack visual dimension and interest. And also this harsh color contrast brings attention to the hips. And in order to downplay this area, we are adding a waistcoat in the same color, so to create long vertical side panels. In this way, Giedre appears visually taller and the focal point is created around her face. This is a matching set and really the fabric felt so nice that Giedre wanted to keep the trousers, but we wanted to find a more flattering way to style them. Therefore, opting for a wrap blouse felt like a good option. This top is just perfect as it cinches in at the waist and also slightly flares out, which helps to balance off wider hips. And also a wide top under creates a focal point around the face, which also helps to visually elongate the body. A dress is a perfect way to dress feminine pear-shaped body type. However, the cut of the dress is really important. Since the hips are already wider, we don't want to have even more fabric around this area. Therefore, very flowy and voluminous dress, in my opinion, should be just kept away. An A-line dress that flares out at the bottom really helps to balance off wider hips, creating a more slender and visually elongating the body. These proportions work really well for Giedre and enhances her feminine curves. Prints tend to draw the attention, especially in vivid colors. Therefore, black trousers worked better, and this set is okay, but let's swap to one color bottom piece and choose a printed top instead. As you can tell, printed top draws the attention upwards, therefore it helps to elongate the body and create more slender effects. Even though we are creating vertical side panels with the white shirt, however, the fade of the blazer or jacket or shirt is really important too. For the pear-shaped body, I would say something a little bit fitter and on a shorter side works magic as it shows off slim waistline. As you can tell, this fitted jacket flatters the curves and enhances this look. Skinny is just an outdated piece that really shows off all the curves too much. Especially in vivid color, the bottom half takes all the attention. Therefore, swapping to neutral color bottom piece is much more better option. A bit of an ankle to show off some of the skin and lightweight shirt to cover up the arms, and voila! Fresh and modern look without compromising the comfort. By the way, this was Giedre's favorite look. And that is it for today's styling episode. I really hope that you got some inspiration and ideas. We really had a lot of fun here in the studio. Let us know which styling did you like the most, what Giedre should keep from these clothing pieces, because we have borrowed some clothing pieces from the stores. Yeah, let's vote. Which outfit did you like the most? Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Ciao, ciao! And thank you, Giedre!